and welcome to Prudent IAS, one-stop solution for all the competitive exams. Imagine controlling the rains, not by dance or prayers or mythology, but meteorology. Yes, this is the topic of the day, artificial rains. Why we have chosen this topic is because recently the air pollution mitigation plan was launched by Delhi's Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, and there it was mentioned that cloud seeding will be used to conduct artificial rains in the city of Delhi. So Delhi is going to witness its first ever artificial rains. In that backdrop, it's very important for UPSC anyways, under the science and tech section, environment. So today we'll discuss how you need to read about this topic, what all key pointers you need to note down, what will be the note making format, and then we'll even discuss a sample question on this topic. So let's quickly understand what is artificial rain. UPSC mains में कोई भी question आएगा, सबसे पहले we'll have to define the term. So artificial rain is also called as cloud seeding. This name is very important because इससे याद है इसकी technique clear हो जाती है. So artificial rain is a weather modification technique. So cloud seeding also is a weather modification technique where the scientists actually inject the clouds to trigger the rainfall. So they will inject the clouds and cause rainfall, artificial rainfall. Now, what all will be injected? How will this function? Let's come to the mechanism. Obviously clouds में inject कराना है, so we'll use planes or rockets. They will fly and inject some particles which will be seeds like sodium iodide, potassium iodide, or dry ice. These are the key terms. Whenever you are writing answer on artificial rain, do mention these because these will be used for seeding. Sodium iodide, potassium iodide, or dry ice. The planes and rockets will seed the clouds with these, and then what will happen? जो ये सोडियम आयोडाइड है ना, ये एक न्यूक्लियाई का काम करेगा. ज़्यादा डेप्थ में पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, but basically the process is क्लाउड में जो भी मॉइस्चर होगा दैट विल बी कंडेंस्ड ऑन दिस न्यूक्लियाई. जो वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स हैं दे विल टर्न टू आइस एंड अल्टीमेटली फॉल. सो न्यूक्लियाई विल हेल्प इन फास्टर कंडेंसेशन. अब इतना इजी सा मैकेनिज्म है, हर कोई रेन करा सकता है? नो, इट्स नॉट दैट इजी बिकॉज नॉट एवरी क्लाउड कैन बी सीन. देयर आर सम की रिक्वायरमेंट्स. Let's quickly come to those. First up is the existence of clouds. The process is cloud seeding, not cloud creating. तो पहले तो एटमॉस्फेयर में clouds होने चाहिए. और कौन से clouds हो सकते हैं? Cumulus clouds. In the geography section, I am sure आप लोग ने types of clouds पढ़ा होगा. Basically बताऊँ, cumulus clouds तो they appear like a cotton ball. ठीक है? Feather like फ्लफी सा एक कॉटन बॉल, फ्लैट बेस होता है, एंड दे हैव सम मॉइस्चर बट दे डोंट डायरेक्टली कॉज द प्रेसिपिटेशन. सो दीज आर फ्लफी, पाइल की तरह होते हैं लाइक कॉटन बॉल. नाउ क्यूमुलस क्लाउड्स, व्हाई? बिकॉज द सेकेंड रिक्वायरमेंट इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ सफिशिएंट मॉइस्चर. अब मॉइस्चर ही नहीं होगा तो ये न्यूक्लियाई किसे कंडेंस करेगा? अगेन इस प्रोसेस को होने के लिए देयर इज द नीड ऑफ ऑप्टिमल टेम्परेचर, यूजुअली 0 to -15 तक. 10 to -10 to -15 भी हो सकता है, बट वील कीप इट लाइक दिस. इतना टेम्परेचर तो चाहिए ही होता है फॉर दिस प्रोसेस टू हैपन. सो इट्स नॉट सो ईजी एंड एवरी क्लाउड कैन नॉट बी सीडेड. अब बिकॉज ये टर्म आजकल न्यूज में है, सो इज इट अ वेरी रिसेंट फिनोमेना? नो, इट्स नॉट. In US, 19 46. A guy named Vincent Schaffer. He already tested this artificial rain. यही फैक्ट्स है जिनको आप इंट्रोडक्शन में यूज कर सकते हैं. इफ इट इज अ 15 मार्क क्वेश्चन, राइट द डेफिनेशन, यूज दीज पॉइंट्स. यूएस में तो हो गया, बट इंडिया में इज इट अ न्यू फिनोमेना? नो, इट्स नॉट. Since 1980s, India is trying to conduct the monsoon rainfall, that is the artificial rainfall. We are trying to imitate the monsoons, and there have been various instances. For example, in Karnataka, 2017 in Chikbalapur, in Maharashtra. I'm writing it down because at the end I'll tell you कि कैसे एक नोट बन गया है पूरा, and that will help you with answer writing. So महाराष्ट्र में in Latur और Marathwada region, because it's facing drought. In Delhi, 2023, it was mentioned. Now again in 2025, hopefully we will witness our first artificial rain. Also in Tamil Nadu, in Andhra Pradesh, at various instances, we have already used this mechanism. But the catch here is there are certain requirements, और उससे भी ज़्यादा difficult part है cost. It is very costly process. Every campaign will cost around 8 to 10 crores or even more. Each time when we will try to do a cloud seeding sortie, it will cost 5 to 10 lakh, and पूरे campaign का मिला के 10 करोड़ से तो पढ़ना ही पड़ना है. सो इट्स वेरी कॉस्टली है, एक बार को ठीक भी है, बट ये अनप्रिडिक्टेबल प्रोसेस है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर क्लाउड सीडिंग कर भी दी गई है, देन इट इज जस्ट 20 to 50% चांस कि क्लाउड सीडिंग विल इंश्योर द रेनफॉल. सो इट इज वेरी अनप्रिडिक्टेबल. कॉस्टली, ऊपर से अनप्रिडिक्टेबल. देयरफॉर आर्टिफिशियल रेन इज नॉट येट कंडक्टेड इन दिल्ली. नाउ कमिंग टू the global dimensions. इंडिया में it is difficult. यूएस में सबसे पहले स्टार्ट हो गया था, बट इन वेरियस नेशंस इट्स वेरी कॉमन. जैसे कि यूएई में, दुबई में इट इज़ अ रेगुलर फिनोमेना. आर्टिफिशियल रेन्स वहाँ पे बहुत कॉमन है. इन थाईलैंड, इन इजराइल, in order to combat drought or even for agriculture, artificial rains are conducted. Next, USA is very interesting. USA में ना स्नोफॉल को enhancement के लिए हम ये लोग artificial rain कराते हैं. So snowfall enhancement. एंड सब में चाइना कैसे पीछे रह सकता है? तो चाइना इन्वेस्ट heavily on artificial rain. In 2020, as per the source, it invested 1.34 billion. So $1.34 billion was invested by China for weather modification only in year 2020s. Imagine the amount of R&D and investment it's taking. So with this, we will quickly jump to the next very important part, that is the challenges. एंड चैलेंजेस ही एक वो पार्ट है जहां पे बहुत ज्यादा पॉसिबिलिटी है यूपीएससी एक क्वेश्चन फ्रेम कर सकते हैं अराउंड इट और माइट बी रिलेटेड टू इट. तो व्हाट आर द challenges? We will study these across a number of dimensions और इन dimensions को आपको आंसर में कोट करना है डायरेक्टली. फर्स्ट अप इज द साइंटिफिक चैलेंज. साइंटिफिक चैलेंज सबसे पहला एग्जिस्टिंग क्लाउड होना चाहिए. ड्राउट प्रोन एरियाज में या फिर जहाँ पे बर्निंग फॉरेस्ट फायर्स है वहाँ पे आर्टिफिशियल रेन कराना, कंडक्ट कराना मुश्किल इसीलिए है बिकॉज दिस प्रोसेस नीड्स प्रेजेंस ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग मॉइस्चर लैडन क्यूमुलस क्लाउड्स. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट रीजन. सेकेंड अप इज वेरी लो R&D is available. It is unpredictable as already discussed. अगर एक बार क्लाउड सीडिंग कराइए जस्ट 20% to 50% चांसेस हैं दैट रेनफॉल होगी. नेक्स्ट अप इज टारगेटेड, लैक ऑफ टारगेटेड रेनफॉल. दैट इज रियल टाइम मॉनिटरिंग नहीं हो पाती है. इतनी प्रिसीजन टारगेट नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से देयर इज अ चैलेंज कि जहाँ पे हमें जो एरिया वी आर टारगेटिंग रेनफॉल वहीं पे होगी या नहीं. सो इट इज ऑल्सो डिफिकल्ट टू कंडक्ट. Next up, the next dimension is economic dimension. Under economic dimensions is already mentioned, it is very costly and the return of investment is less as compared to other methods. And other cost effective methods, for example, desalination, watershed management, they are often ignored because of this. So there are some economic implications. Now coming to the environmental implications. सारे सब्जेक्ट्स को अपने याद कर लेना है और हर एक सब्जेक्ट पे कुछ ना कुछ लिखना है हमें. अब इन्वायरमेंट में क्या हो सकता है? ऑफ कोर्स सबसे पहले केमिकल इंजेक्ट किया जा रहा है, इसके रेपरकशंस नहीं पता है, हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू इम्पैक्ट द सॉइल, हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू इम्पैक्ट द वेदर. लॉन्ग टर्म impacts are not known, right? Next up will be ethical. Now ethical dimensions और legal dimensions are very interesting. यहाँ पे concept होता है rain theft. What is this rain theft? See, जहाँ पे भी cloud है, suppose this is a cumulus cloud यहाँ पे, and we are targeting this particular portion, right? We have seeded the cloud here. The moisture will come from all the sides, condense हो गया, rainfall हो गई. It is depriving the areas nearby of their natural rainfall. So this can be an issue about the rain theft, and this might occur between two states, जिससे कि interstate tensions भी increase हो सकती हैं. So ethical and legal concerns of course हैं, and there is no global guideline as well कि अगर इस framework को हम implement कर रहे हैं, there are issues how to resolve them. So these were the ethical and legal. Next up are tech and infra. As already seen, very low R&D, very low investment in India. So there are a number of loop and holes and challenges which we need to tackle before properly implementing these. There can be a strategic domain as well. Now, what is this? Artificial rain can be used by adversaries for their vested interest. For example, they can block monsoons deliberately. This can be a domain where we need to study. So a number of challenges you can write in the end. Dependency creates complacency. अब ये क्या है? देखिए राइट, जब भी ऐसे पे भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, हम कोई आंसर भी लिख रहे हैं, कुछ ऐसे कीवर्ड्स अगर हमारे पास है ना, they will enrich the quality of the write-up. डिपेंडेंसी क्रिएट्स कॉम्प्लेसेंसी का मतलब सिंपल में ये है, अगर हमें आर्टिफिशियल रेन कराना आ गया एंड वी आर टोटली डिपेंडेंट कि ओके इफ देयर इज एनी नीड वील कंडक्ट द आर्टिफिशियल रेन इजी फॉर अस, देन वी विल डाइवर्ट फ्रॉम द सस्टेनेबल मेथड्स, जो कि है वाटरशेड मैनेजमेंट, राइट, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग, ड्रिप इरिगेशन, desalination, and a number of such initiatives. Now, coming to the conclusion of this topic, what we'll write in the conclusion, यही points जो भी हमने पढ़े हैं, that artificial rain must be used as a tool of last resort. That means अगर बहुत emergency है, then only we'll use or conduct the artificial rain. Anyways, it's very costly, so keeping all the challenges in mind, and therefore we must resort to the measures like watershed, rainwater harvesting, which are more sustainable and they will help us in the long term. We can even add groundwater recharge through these. Okay, so now just let me quickly sum up the topic for you. Okay. So first, the topic was artificial rain. We understood what that was the definition part of the artificial rain. Then we looked about the mechanism. What is the mechanism behind it? Key requirements. Okay? What will be injected in the cloud? Sodium iodide, potassium iodide, dry ice. Requirements क्या है? Cloud cumulus होना चाहिए, sufficient moisture, temperature. The process also we understood how the nuclei will help in condensation. Then first it was tested by Vincent Schaeffer in USA. In India, it is also not a new concept. We have studied that बहुत सारे areas में already it was tested. It is also on a pilot phase. एक program भी launch हो चुका है. Then we'll understand the economic dimension, that is, it is very costly. Coming to the global dimensions, China is investing heavily. All the other nations are also using artificial rains. Then challenges. First is scientific, second economic, third environment, fourth ethical legal, fifth is strategic, sixth is technology and infrastructure. And then we have developed one concise conclusion. Now, all this can be written on one A4 sheet. You can use both the sides and just write this in such a format. This will help you in recalling the topic in better ways while writing the answers. इसी format में आपने note लिखा है, इसी format में आपको एक picture बनेगी, and then when we'll answer the question, इसी format में we'll write the answers. So, coming quickly to the question. We will just discuss this question, and I want you guys to write an answer, and you can send us in the Telegram group, Answer Writing by Prudent IAS. There we'll evaluate one answer daily at no cost, so you can even access the evaluated answer. Cloud seeding is often hailed as a solution to drought and pollution. This is the statement. Now the question is, critically examine the scientific, economic and ethical challenges associated with implementing the artificial rain in India. So the directive word here is critically examine, and the dimensions asked are scientific, economic and ethical. A number of times throughout my videos I have mentioned about all the parameters. We have done the discussion about the structure. I have also made a separate video for answer writing strategy about the structure and all the parameters. We have already discussed in the very beginning about all the directive words. So the basics have been covered, almost covered. Now we are moving towards the advanced. So the questions will be more analytical, and I'll be sharing less model answers and relying more on your analytical answers. How to approach this answer? First up, we'll write an introduction about the term, that is artificial rain. You can define the term that it is a weather modification technique. You can even write about Vincent Schaffer. Then coming quickly to the body of the answer, where we'll address the dimension. You will write about the challenges using separate heading for all these, that is scientific, economic and ethical. You will give the 3 headings, and under these better use subheadings and points. If not, then just the points, but follow this structure. We have already discussed all the ethical, economic and scientific dimensions. You will quote all those. And coming to the conclusion part, a balanced positive conclusion that this will be used as a tool of last resort or in emergency, and we'll have to focus more on methods like groundwater recharge, rainwater harvesting, watershed management, etc. How you are going to use your word limit? Introduction can be of 30 to 35 words at max. Same goes for the conclusion. Keep 180 for the body, or you can keep 170, 175, depends, but do not breach 250 word target. So this is it for today. I hope the video was interesting and you got a better picture about artificial rain. So whenever you are reading the news, you know what is the mechanism behind artificial rain. Send us your answers in the group. Till then, subscribe our YouTube channel Prudent IAS and join our Telegram group Answer Writing by Prudent IAS. Thanks for watching.